Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I have switched it up and I am feeling it. Now I've been wearing this for a few days. I actually filmed the remainder of this video, the tutorial portion if you will, a few days ago, and this has been my go-to. And when I say I have been getting so many compliments, I am pleasantly surprised because a lot of the days I switch my wigs up and people are just used to me just wearing a new wig all the time. But when I wear this one, people are like, this is you, this is your look. And I have to agree. Today I've teamed up with Unice and they sent me this beautiful brown lace wig. She is a yaki texture, and then she includes this beautiful bang that's already pre-cut with a little bit of a fringe vibe. I love it. It's almost like a full cap wig, but you do get the transparent lace up top. I believe the dimensions of the lace is like 2x4. I'm gonna literally flip the wig inside out in the video and show you all the deets, but I gotta go because my husband is calling, so I'm gonna jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out. Of course, there's a direct link down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay love bugs, so we officially have a new setup. Don't know how long this setup is going to last, just because I really love this color. I picked it so that it can be a great backdrop to all this melanin. But for example, with a color like this, I don't know, you know, how well you'll be able to see it. So if it's not picking up well, of course I will give you guys another background for the color. But today I've teamed up with Unice, as you guys seen in the intro, and they sent me a bang. So this is a bougie bang because sometimes a bang is just a bang, but this is a bang with lace, which means when you peek through here, you'll be able to make this part like scalp-like or skin tone. We're going for this beautiful brown color. I absolutely love it. So inside construction of the cap, I feel like this is going to be like literally the quickest review and tutorial on the market. When you turn it inside out, you do see you have this lace parting. That way you can kind of do like part it and make a fringe bang, or you can just keep it nice and scattered for that perfectness. I think the way it comes is exactly how it should be. You shift it to the back and you see you still have your adjustable and removable elastic band should you want that. This is the nape. You have your comb, your adjustable straps, and you have some excess lace. So if you want to make this like a thing where you kind of like bond it down, you have that lace to be able to bond it down and make baby hair. And then you also have your two additional combs, one on each side. And yeah, let me adjust the straps, cut off this lace, and then we can get started. Hey Google, set thermostat to cool. Hey Google, set thermostat to 72. Okay, so off the bat, this is what we're looking like. Here I'm gonna have to remove the lip gloss. You can know the Laneige lip mask is the lip mask of all lip masks. I'm just getting my lips buttery soft for today, but let's go ahead and take it off. I'm also gonna fire up the curling iron. I think I can do the hot comb. I honestly don't think I would need it, but in case I want to like dynamic duo it up top. But for now, first step is to get it centered. You can tell where the center is by like your parting. You can kind of feel it and tell if it's in the center or not. And then from here, you kind of just comb it out and just see what you have. Now, one thing for me is work smarter, not necessarily harder, but also wanting it to look exactly how we want it to look. So right here, you guys can see the bang may be a little bit too long, but I may be able to just push the wig back a little bit and that will resolve it. But then you also don't want the bang to look too far back. So finding that happy medium. While we do that, I did decide I want to do the dynamic duo just a little bit. So I am running out of this wax, but I'm gonna just apply a decent amount. When I say running out, it literally doesn't stay inside the container once it's running out. You don't want your bangs to get oily, but because it's sort of a yaki texture, I think it can handle a little extra of the wax. Let's go ahead and press it out. Okay, so now that we have it like kind of flattened up top, I can't even tell what it looks like because of the bang. So I'm kind of spreading it out to see what I want to cut. And I'm just gonna lightly trim it to start. Now we're gonna go ahead and bump it to see if we want to cut it. I feel like cutting it is like last resort. this is what it looks like bumped. Okay, so this is what we're liking. Like, I love a long bang. Of course, you just want to be able to see and drive. So now I feel like we can go in and do the rest of the hair. I'm just gonna take my baby lace, and you don't even really need to like silk it out. I think it's already just a nice good straight length. But if you do, you just take your comb and chase the comb with the flat iron, and this gives you the most straight option. Go all the way around. And just like that, it feels like we are good to go. The only thing we have left to do is tint the lace. I want to go a little bit lighter just because the wig is such a bright and beautiful color. I fear that if I go with a skin tone, it won't look scalp-like. So I believe this is a 14 palette, and still I haven't replaced it because there's a lot of product left. And I'm just going to pack it in. This is just going to help to define that parting, that you know that this is a lace. You can for sure skip this step. It's not necessary. And that's what that looks like, and I think we are good to go. I feel like it's nice enough, it's long enough, it's full enough. I love the fringe right here that helps to make it a little bit more gradient because it's like a cap on the sides. You want to make sure that it covers so that you're not showing like your sideburns and all of the things. As far as the wig, this one did come courtesy of Unice, and inside you did get a few goodies. This one did include your HD wig caps, which are exclusive, and you can only find these on Unice. We also got a melt belt, which technically this is a lace, but you don't necessarily need the melt belt for this lace wig because it is a bang in the front. And then of course you also got your pack of mink lashes exclusive to Unice. So you guys already know the name of the game. It's $3.29. We have dance. We have to be there in 30 minutes. It's gonna take us about 35 minutes to get there. So we are, of course, in true Ashley fashion, running late. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.